What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about how to, kind of track your mileage and some other business tips. Mileage can be deducted from taxes for the most part, so you always want to keep track of them. And you can buy Microsoft Word and Excel, Microsoft Office in general, for pretty cheap, or sometimes it just comes with a new computer you buy, or even a used computer. You can oftentimes have Microsoft Word and Office on it. So this is Microsoft Excel. And this is just an example spreadsheet for mileage and expenses reports. So you can have like the employee name, if you have employee IDs, vehicle description, rate per mile, total mileage, total reimbursement. This just helps you keep organized and keep track of your mileage. For when you do your taxes, you can bring this. You can bring receipts and all that stuff. It's just good to be organized and have plenty of documentation. Next is a budget overview. So I always estimate pretty liberally, because I always estimate more than normal, just so I have enough money saved. And I try to be really conservative in my spending and how I budget for my business. But granted, I do have a full-time job, so that also helps. However, it's important, I can't emphasize enough how important it is to budget for your business, especially if you're going full-time. There's tons of different templates. There's invoices, balance sheet, small business sales lead tracker. Let's check that one out. So that just helps organize your business sales, where you're getting your most sales from, and kind of like what clients you're getting your sales from. So that's a good option. Your income statement. So this is just an example again, but you can customize it to your business. So you can estimate how much revenue you're getting, and then you can track how much revenue you're actually making per year. This is another good option for taxes. I would recommend getting something like QuickBooks for basically helping you with your taxes at the end of the year, and I'd recommend getting a high quality tax specialist and an accountant once you have the money, or you can do it yourself, but it makes it a lot easier to hire a professional. Just helps with everything. So those are some tips I have. Microsoft Office is very, very useful, like I said. Service price list, so if you want to set minimums, service type, description, service ID number. You can ID certain services, like if you're doing equipment repair, that could be a different ID number than say piping or something. And then you can have what you set your minimums to, so you just have track record of how much you're basically charging, and you have it on paper. Organization and bookkeeping is very important in business, so I'd advise practicing these things and getting good at them before you launch your business full-time, because it'll just make life easier for you, and you will end up making more money the more organized you are. So thanks for watching.